Hello, Mr. Felix. Hi, India.
Hello.
Actually, we are here to ask you one question. What comes to your mind when you hear a country named India?
Of course, first my girlfriend's name, India, but also amazing food. I really like the Indian food. I was often in India, so the food is on place one, of course.
Yes, that's right.
India, I recall having been to the Goa training center. I was so impressed by all the crew being trained there, making an effort to come here to the ship and being trained in housekeeping, galley and all the other departments for joining our ship. It was really a big pleasure.
Okay, when I hear the country name India, I'm thinking about all the colorful saris. And also I found out that shampoo is coming from India.
When I hear the word India is first of all the advertising, incredible India. And when I was going to Goa, I experienced India as a very friendly, very hot country, and with a lot of different colors and smells, especially on the markets with all the fruits and fish and spices and everything. That's that's what I'm thinking and what's inside of my mind.
Bollywood.
Slumdog Millionaire. Mahatma Gandhi.
Holy!
Elephants, yoga, food, colorful, spices, masala tea, Taj Mahal,
Cricket.
Curry.
Nature.
Mumbai,
Royal Enfield.
Elephant.
Red Point.
delicious, flavorful food,
Beautiful traditional garments.
Ravi Shankar and his sitar. Colorful.
belly dance,
Jimmy, Jimmy. Acha, acha.
Bollywood.
Spices.
Colors.
Hey guys, happy Independence Day!
We hope that you enjoy your day, and we got asked what we connect with India, and we don't want to talk about it. We want to show it right now in a German sporty version.
Party at the beach in Goa.
The Holy Festival, Bindi,
Bollywood movies.
Namaste.